Thanks for stopping by the CampingFamily channel. Been a while. Out here working on the rig today. We are last week of December. It's crazy. This year has just flown by. Haven't been out in the rig. Everything's winterized up here in the north. Except for my rig. I haven't winterized it yet. We've gotten some cold days, but nothing to the point where I felt I needed to winterize yet. But we're getting close. One thing I wanted to do is I wanted to hit this front window that seems to be getting some water down in a, like where the window slides. Every once in a while I'll see some moisture down there, and I think it's just coming from this seal. I sealed it earlier in the year in the spring. I used that RV sealant. I don't remember the name of it. I'd have to look and see what it was, but it didn't seal as much as I'd like. Didn't do as great a job as I thought it would, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I bought some of this Gorilla Glue, 100% silicone white, just a small container. I wanted to try it out. But here's what I'm seeing up here is I was seeing I had a nice bead here, but there were points where I didn't get quite as good of a bead. So I'm filling in those gaps where I didn't get a good bead. What I'm finding is we're right about at 30 degrees, and this stuff is pretty thick. It says it's, best if used above 40. I'm not at 40, so that's a pretty good tip. We're probably 35. This thing is hard to push out. So it is what it is. I'm just going to put a bead around the rest of this window, and we'll be good enough for the winter. We'll check it in the spring. I think the other windows are in pretty good shape, but it was just this front window for some reason. The seal was just deteriorating over time. But that's what I'm doing today, getting ready to winterize, so that's where we're at. Hope everybody's doing well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.